break the wheels loose.
That wasn't bad.
No, that was better than what we ran in before. Yeah, they were, and I got the traction control off. Now I didn't take my foot off when I broke loose.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I really thought you just let off right there.
Nope, I didn't.
Oh wow.
That's what
it's doing?
Yeah. Because he says it looks like you're letting off. I said I'm not letting off, Gavin.
Oh, 100%. When you're sitting in the car, that's why I kind of wanted to feel that, just get an idea.
Yeah.
And you're not kidding. It's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Today's the day that we're getting gears in the car. That's where I'm going right now. 7:40 in the morning. Gonna be there at 8 o'clock. We're dropping the car off at a local shop. 3.73's. Finally. God, I hate doing pulls in 273s, and they're boring to watch too. Come on, admit it. $400. What I'm paying. I paid $590 my last one. That was at a dealership, and it wasn't done right anyways. They ended up whining really bad. So this place has got some good reviews. I had a customer to come into me that got gears done there. One of my customers from Ford, and he said they did a really good job and said it was $400. So I called him up and was like, hey, I got some gears in the box here. Let's get them in. So boom, 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 boom. First, second, third, fourth. I'm so stupid. Yeah, man. Where's this video going? So yes, we're almost there. Almost there. And this is it. Get this car back from that 373's. Underestimated the difference that 373's made over 273's. I was actually accepting 273's as being decent. I forgot what it was like to have a car with better gearing.